Come on. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. If you are new to my channel, my name is DM the Great. But today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to grow your arms. So if you want bigger arms, if you want 22-inch arms, watch this whole video because I'm gonna show you guys my entire arm workout. But it is currently, as you guys see, it is 8:27 a.m., guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get it started. Yes, sir. But we're going to start with some barbell curls, guys, just to warm up. We're going to do barbell curls, 20 reps, guys. Then after that, we're going to come over. You guys see I got the cable machine. We're going to do some regular curls. So I got the 45 on each side, a 45 plate, guys. But we're going to do 2 sets of that to failure. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys the next arm workout. You guys let me know, too. This is the new Sony camera that I just got 2 days ago. So at first, guys, I was recording on my iPhone 14, you know, but this is the new Sony I just got. So you guys let me know if you like the quality or not. We're going to go ahead and play music. Look, guys, this is what I was listening to earlier. This is what I was listening to, guys. So this right here is what I'm going to play in my ear, you know, as I'm getting these curls, getting our first set in, guys. You guys want the workout playlist, let me know. I will drop it for you guys. But make sure you guys like the video, comment, subscribe. Enough of me talking, let's get it. All right, y'all, so we warming up with the bar right here, but we just doing 20 reps, just trying to get the blood flow going, guys. And soon after we get through with this, we hopping straight into cable curls, man. We doing 2 sets of the cable curls, 2 sets to failure. Yes, sir, focusing on the squeeze and the stretch at the bottom, guys. Look, guys, when it comes to growing your biceps, the contraction, the stretch, guys, is very, very important. I advise you guys, man, to choose a weight that you can control, you know, nothing that's not too heavy. Form is very, very important. So make sure you guys' form is right, man. It doesn't matter if you work out at the gym, at home. I see a lot of you guys be ego lifting, you know, and your form is shitty. So work on your form. Make sure your form is good, guys. Look at them biceps, man. Peak is crazy. Also, too, guys, I've been having this cable machine for about, you know, 2-3 months now, but I hardly use it, you know, so I just figure out, you know, why not use it today? So we just doing some arms. I really did, you know, I got a great workout, great pump using the cable machine, so I'm glad that I chose it today. But you guys see, man, this right here is our second set. We going to failure. Then after that, guys, we're going straight into hammer curls, guys, with the cable machine. Like I said, 2 sets to failure. Look at that. Really squeezing the biceps, guys. I can really feel it. Pump was crazy, y'all. Pump was crazy doing this workout. And I'm telling you guys, man, I felt super swole. Look at that. Jeez. But enough of me talking, man. You guys get the point. After that, we're doing the same thing with triceps. 2 sets to failure, guys. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna let the video play some music, and make sure you guys, like I said, like the video, comment, subscribe for more fitness content. And yeah, let's get it. Alright, guys, so now we got some tricep work. My biceps, guys, is on fire. 2 sets to failure. All you need, man. But we're gonna go ahead, like I said, get some tricep work. We're gonna do the same thing, 2 sets to failure, guys. And then after that, we're gonna move straight into free weights, which is dumbbells, and finish off this arm workout, man. Pump so far, it's pretty crazy, man. Pretty insane pump. You know, I've been sipping on that. Where my cup at? I've been sipping on some water, guys. I put some pink salt, so it really helps with blood flow, you know, and just pumping as much blood into the muscles. And like, guys, I feel super swole right now. But You guys want some big arms, this right here is what you do. Moving on to the preacher curls now. 45s right here, guys. Not 45s, 40. Just curling it just like that. Come on. Woo! All right, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get round 2 in, but basically all I'm gonna do is 400 to 500 push-ups, guys. I'm gonna do some ab work and also get on the treadmill for about 20 minutes, something light, steady pace. But I'm just gonna go live on TikTok. I got my camera here. Guys. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go live on the TikTok real quick, man. I don't know if I'm gonna record this session. You know, we'll see, but I'm gonna go ahead and go live and I'll just see you guys. After this workout, guys, I'm gonna have 2 chicken breasts, some sweet potato, and also a protein shake. And that's actually my 3rd meal of the day. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to get 2 more meals in, you know. We'll see how the day goes, man. But I'm gonna go ahead, get on live, and I'll just see you guys once I pick back up the camera. I'm telling you guys, man, I built my physique right at home. You know, 90 days is all it takes to transform your body. Stop procrastinating. You guys gonna wish you would have started sooner. Grab the workout program, guys. It automatically comes with a nutrition plan, lock in 90 days. It's either you're gonna be the same person or you're gonna be a whole new person, a better version of yourself, more confidence, simple workouts. Come on, guys, simple workouts, effective workouts that's designed to help you build muscle and lose fat at the same time, you know. Grab the workout program, start your transformation today. First link description down below. But I'm gonna end it off here, man. You guys new to my channel, look, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Great videos, more content is dropping soon. You know, I'm trying to post every day, at least every day for you guys. Look, I'm on a YouTube grind this year. We blowing up this year, guys. We heading to the top. You know, all I need is for you guys to like the video, comment, subscribe, and also share my channel as well. But I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's video, man. It's your boy DM the Great. Follow me on all my social medias, and catch you guys in the next video. And I'm out. Peace.